Sweet. Roll. Oh, no, no, no.
Yeah.
So, okay, so let's start. Let's warm up. Oh, okay. You're so small. You're so small to one. Okay, let's start to one.
Defnide tauta Risa
Let's dance to one.
Oh, you said no, no, no. I said no, 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 no. You say take me home. I said no, Perignon. You said no, no, no. I said no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Hasta la mina loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. Hasta la mina loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca.
All right, thank you so much. Okay, just only that. So let's start our class. Thank you so much, Tuan.
Everybody up, up,
Oh, I'm
up.
sorry. Okay. All right. So our lesson for tonight, this is all about weight and length. Okay, Tuan.
Okay.
All right. So by the way, Tuan, what is weight and length?
Mm, is
Hmm. What is weight and length?
what is um
Okay, I will give you time.
mm,
Hmm. What
what
is weight?
is
Like for example,
kilograms.
oh yes, very good. That is correct. Like for example, the kilograms. Okay, so it measures, oh, it measures how heavy something. Okay, so it measures how heavy something is. For example, like what you said is kilograms. That is correct. What else?
Is metal.
Meter. Mm-hmm. No, no, no.
Yes.
This is all about heavy. Heavy something is.
Um is
Mm-hmm.
mm, no.
Okay, this one. Grams.
Um
Yes, grams and of course pounds. Okay. So, to one, what is weight?
um
What is
is
weight? Yes. Weight, it measures. Can you read, please?
um T is measures mm,
It measures, okay, can you see it measures how?
it measures how heavy something is.
Yes,
Gram,
for example,
kilogram,
kilograms. So yes,
kilogram,
kilograms and
grams,
yes, and
um, pounds.
pounds. Yes, very good to one. So for example, a watermelon, a watermelon weighs 2 kilograms. Okay? A
Okay.
watermelon weighs 2 kilograms. Okay, so this is all about heavy. So a watermelon weighs 2 kilograms. Okay?
Oh,
So can you give me an
okay.
example? Can you give me an example to one?
Um, a watermelon weight
Weigh.
two 2 kilograms.
Okay, another one. Can you give me a new sentence or a new examples?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so
Um,
much.
uh,
Hmm?
mm, uh, a melon weight three
Weigh.
kilograms.
Okay, very good to one. Weigh 2 kilograms without letter T. Okay, this is only weigh. So let's proceed to length. What is length to one?
Is ground.
Length. Length.
Length
Yeah, what is length?
is is
Mm-hmm.
mm, mm,
It
mat
measures.
is meter.
Yes, very good meter. So length is measures. It measures how long? How long or tall
How long? How tall?
something is. Yes,
Oh,
length it measures how long or tall something is. For example, like what you said is a meter. Okay, meter. What else?
mm, mm, milli um, meter, decimeter,
Huh? And then
kilometer,
kilometer.
centimeter, centimeter,
Yeah,
kilometer,
yeah, centimeters, kilometers, meters. Ah, no, 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 no. Oh, yes. Meters, centimeters, and inch.
inch,
Inches.
inches,
Yeah, for example, a table is 1 meter long. A table is 1 meter long. All right. So, Tuan, can you give me an example?
okay. My ruler is 13, 30 centimeter.
Okay, very good. Very good, Tuan. You're so smart. Okay, let's proceed to the next page. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, just wait. I will clean this one first. Okay, so we are done here. So let's proceed to the next page. Okay.
Crab.
All right, so now, what word is this?
Is crab,
Okay, very good. This one.
lizard,
Very good.
lizard,
Lizard.
lizard,
Yes, this one.
octopus,
Very good. This one.
beetle,
Very good. So, do you know what is crab?
um,
Do you know what is crab?
yes,
Okay, what is crab to one?
is in the beach.
Yes, you can see at the beach. And of course, this is a seafood, right?
Yes,
Okay, so do you want to eat crab?
um,
No?
yes,
Okay,
I
this is my
can.
favorite. Yeah, this is my favorite seafood. Okay, what about lizard?
Um, I know.
No, what is lizard?
Yes, I know.
Okay, so can you tell me where you can find the lizard?
Uh, in my garden.
Oh, so sometimes the lizard you can see in your home, inside your home.
Yes,
Okay, and of course, on the tree. What about octopus?
yes,
Okay, do you know what is octopus?
in the beach
Yeah.
and the seafood restaurants.
Yes, you are correct. This is a seafood. Do you like this kind of seafood? Do you like to eat octopus?
Yes,
Oh, really? Me too. What about the beetle? What is beetle?
yes,
Mm-hmm.
this in my garden.
Yes, in your garden you can see a beetle. Very good to one. So let's go here. Mm. Okay, so look at the lizard. How much does the lizard weigh? To one.
Mm, is it weight
It weighs.
115 kilograms?
Okay, let's repeat. Can you see? It weighs 150.
It weighs 115 kilograms.
Okay, can you see weighs?
Weight,
Weighs.
weight,
Weighs.
weight,
Again. Without T. This is letter S. Weighs.
weight,
Again. This is S. Weighs.
weight,
Weighs. W-
weight,
One more time.
weight,
There is
weight,
no there is no T. Weighs.
weight,
Weighs. Okay,
weight
okay, very good. Follow teacher Yam. It weighs.
is it it weighs
Very good. 150.
115,
No. 50. 50.
150,
Very good. One more time. It weighs 150 kilograms.
Is it weighs 150 kilograms.
Very good. Very good. All right. I will repeat the question to one. How much
How how much
the
does
lizard?
the lizards weigh?
Okay. It's
It weighs 150 kilograms.
okay. Very good, to one. So, how long is the lizard?
Uh, it is
It's
3 meter long.
again. It's
Is is 3 meter long.
meters.
Meter long.
Okay. Don't forget the letter S. It's 3 meters long.
Is 3 meter long.
Again, don't forget the S to one. Meters.
Uh,
Meters.
is 3 meters long.
Okay, one more time. How long is the lizard?
Mm, is 3 meter long.
Don't forget.
Meters.
Okay, very good. It's 3 meters long. All right, so one. Don't forget the letter S, okay? And the last letter of the word. Okay, to one.
Okay.
Very good. Okay. Mm. Okay, let's go to the next page. I will clean this one. Okay, here. So, animals. Okay, listen and read. So, animals and insects have many shapes and sizes. Some creatures are very small and some are very big. These creatures are big. Okay, so let's listen.
Okay.
Mm. I'm sorry, we don't have an audio here. Okay, this one. Okay, I will repeat to one. Animals are and insects have many shapes and sizes. Some creatures are very small and some are very big. So these creatures are big. Number one, can you read?
The Komodo dragon is very big lizard. Is 3 meters long and weighs 150 kilograms.
Very good. So can you read Komodo dragon?
Komodo dragons.
Okay, so where is the Komodo dragon to one?
Yes,
Okay, can you draw a circle? Where is the Komodo?
yes.
Can you draw a circle? Can you find where is the Komodo?
Okay, is here. Oh,
Okay, very good. Okay, no audio. Okay, so I will repeat. The Komodo dragon is a very big lizard. It's 3 meters long and weighs 150 kilograms. So, did you see a Komodo?
is 100, 150
Yeah.
kilograms.
Yeah. The Komodo is very heavy and this is a very
Oh,
big also. Did you see a Komodo dragon, Tuan?
yes, I can see.
Oh, really?
I is in the zoo.
Oh, okay, in the zoo. But you know, Tuan, here in my place, here in Philippines, we have a lot of Komodo here.
Oh,
Yes. Okay, the Komodo, is it dangerous?
yes,
Oh, really?
it's so dangerous.
Oh, I see. Thank you so much. So what about number two?
The gorilla beetle is the worst.
Goliath. I'm sorry.
Goliath. The Goliath beetle is the world's la- largest insect. It weighs 100 grams and is 10 centimeters long.
Thank you so much, Tuan. So let's repeat this word. Can you say Goliath beetle?
Goliath beetle.
Very good. One more time. Can you say the Goliath beetle is the world's largest insect?
Uh, the Goliath beetle is the world's largest insect.
Okay, let's repeat. Can you say largest? Largest.
Largest. Largest.
Again, largest.
Largest
Okay, very good. Can you say insect?
insect.
Very good. And then can you say 10 centimeters?
10 centimeter
Meters.
meters.
Okay, don't forget the letter S. 10 centimeters. All right, do you know what is Goliath beetle? Tuan,
Huh.
you know this?
Yes, I know.
Oh, you can see in the,
No.
oh, where you can find the Goliath beetle.
Hmm. No. Not
You can
see.
find this one on the tree, on the leaves, the Goliath beetle. Is it
Hmm.
dangerous?
Yes, I'm
Mm.
so scary.
Oh, you scared. Me too. Me too. What about the Komodo?
Hmm. The Komodo is
Are you
dangerous.
yes, are you scared?
Yes.
Yeah, me too. We're the same. Okay, what about number 321?
The spider crab is the world's largest crab. It was mm, 19 kilograms. Its legs are about 2 meter long.
2
Meters.
meters. Okay. So, let's repeat. Can you say worlds?
World's
Can you say largest?
largest.
Okay, don't forget the largest. Largest crab.
La, largest crab.
Okay, again, largest.
Largest.
One more time. Largest.
Largest crab.
Okay, very good. So can you say 19 kilograms?
19 kilogram.
Again, kilograms.
Kil, kilograms.
Okay, let's repeat this one. Can you say it weighs 19 kilograms? It's
It
like,
weighs it weighs 20 90 kilograms.
okay, this one. Its legs are,
Its legs are about 2 meter long.
okay, don't forget the S. Legs, meters.
Legs, legs,
Okay, again,
meter,
meters.
meters,
Okay, legs, meters.
legs, meters.
Very good. All right. So, do you know what is spider crab?
No,
Oh,
I don't know.
me too. I don't think so if I see this one. But this one maybe a little bit dangerous. The spider
Mm.
crab.
It,
Maybe, yeah, not allowed to
it,
eat also.
it dangerous.
Yes, you are correct to one. Okay, what about number four?
The giant bar,
Giant.
the giant berry fish octopus is the biggest octopus in the world. It weighs 50 kilograms and 5 meters long.
Okay, very good. So by the way, let's repeat these words. Giant Pacific.
Giant berry fish.
Okay, let's slowly. Let's read slowly. Can you see giant?
Giant.
Can I hear the T sound? Giant.
Giant.
Very good. One more time. The giant.
The giant.
Can you see
Pacific.
Pacific?
Pacific. Pacific. Octopus is the biggest octopus in the world.
Okay,
It
again.
weighs
Mm, all right.
50 kilograms and 5
Okay.
meters.
Very good. So by the way, to one, this is Pacific. Pacific.
Pacific.
Fic.
Fic.
Okay. Giant Pacific.
Giant Pacific.
Okay, again. Giant.
Giant.
Very good. The giant Pacific.
The giant Pacific.
Very good. All right, don't forget these words, okay? All right.
Okay.
Oh, do you know what is giant Pacific octopus?
No, I don't know.
Oh, this one is you can see in the deep sea. So this is very difficult to find this kind of octopus. And this is also
Oh,
a dangerous.
oh.
Yes. All right.
Okay.
So look at this one. All right. So by the way, we are running out of time. Oh, okay. Thank you so much for Tuan and see you next time. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Thank
Goodbye,
you.
teacher.
See you next. Oh, tomorrow.